How do these texting story YouTube Shorts channels generate these shorts super easily, and how can you do the same and potentially get millions of views doing so? Well, the secret is that you don't have to actually sit down and make these videos yourself. You can use an AI to do all of the work for you. Check out this channel right here that has 177,000 subscribers, which would earn them a silver play button like I have right there. And they have tons of videos with over 1 million views. Check out this channel right here, which also is getting insane amounts of views. And this one right here with tons of videos with over 10 million views each. So let's break down exactly how you can do this too. It all starts with the story for the actual video. And if we take a look at one of the most popular videos like this one right here, let's see why this video went viral.
Mom, I need to tell you something.
What is it, sweetie? Is everything okay?
I don't know how to say this, but I'm pregnant.
What? How is
So as you can tell right off the bat, in the first few seconds, we have an insane hook of a boy telling his mom that he's pregnant. That makes people stop and they want to watch the rest of this. So the more outrageous and the crazier it is, the better. Now, we're not going to just straight up copy this word for word. Instead, we're going to head on over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a text exchange between a boy and his mother where the boy says something absolutely outrageous and there's no way it's true, and the mother argues with him about it. Now, the hook isn't the only reason that this video went viral. You want there to be a payoff at the end. You want it to make sense to the viewer at the end, but you want to keep their attention and keep them watching to the end, because that's going to get you more retention, and that's how you can actually get a lot of views with YouTube Shorts. If your shorts have a high retention rate, meaning people watch a big percentage of them on average. And so if we skip through the video right here, he's just arguing with his mom about how he's actually pregnant. And then at the end of the video, you'll notice he says, I need $500 for baby stuff. And the mom says, I knew it. This was all just a scam to get money. So then there's that payoff at the very end of the video, and people will watch through to get to that payoff. So we're going to ask ChatGPT, have it all make sense at the end of the text exchange, where the boy asks for money and the mom denies it. Then we'll say to write this in under 250 words, because we want to make sure that our short is under 3 minutes long, which is the length for YouTube Shorts to be considered shorts. And just like that, our script is written, and it starts with the boy telling his mom, did you know that squirrels can speak fluent French? Which is a great hook because it's a contradictory statement, and people are going to want to keep watching the video to see an explanation as to what exactly is going on here. Then eventually accumulates in the boy asking for $50 to go to some squirrel press conference, and the mom says no. So that is a great script that follows the formula of the original video we looked at without copying it directly. Now you might be saying, Matt, that's great, but how do I actually make these videos without having to sit down and edit them and do all the manual work that would otherwise have to go into this, spending hours and hours doing this? Well, I actually built an AI tool to do all of the work for you, and that's called Vid.ai. And if you go to Vid.ai and you log into the software, it'll look something like this, and you're going to click Create New Project and then select Fake Text. From here, you can give it any name, click Create, and then you can start copy pasting your script directly into here. So let's do it together here. So if we take a look at the point of view of the original texting story we're modeling, as you can see, it's from the point of view of the boy texting his mom. So the receiver will be his mom and the sender will be the boy. So we're going to go back to vid.ai and we're going to make the receiver's name mom, just like that. You can even upload a profile picture for them if you wanted to. Click save, and then we'll start with the script, with the first script coming from the boy, which will be the sender. Go to vid.ai, paste that in there, make sure it's coming from the sender, and then click new, and it'll automatically then switch to the receiver for the next text. But you can also even have people send double, triple, quadruple text in a row if you wanted to. But the next text will be from the mom right here. So she's saying, what? No, they can't. We're just going to simply copy that, paste it in there, go to the next one, and just basically repeat this process going line by line, copying each of these in here. I'm going to fast forward this real quick and just copy paste the whole script into vid.ai. And boom, just like that, our script has been imported to vid.ai. Then we're going to click next, and from here we can choose between a light or a dark theme. If we check the original video, it's a light theme, so we'll just do that. Go to next, and then we can select the background video. We can choose from Minecraft or Subway Surfers, or you could even upload your own background video if you wanted to. Let's do Subway Surfers for this one, make it a little bit different. The original one was just Minecraft in the background right there, and then we're going to click next. We can choose to have some background music if we wanted to, and then we can choose the actual voices. So first and foremost, we need the mother's voice. Let's take a listen to Rachel right here.
You gotta be careful if you don't.
That's pretty good. That's a pretty good mother's voice. And then we need a little boy's voice. So let's take a look at Timmy, see if that's a good one.
Leave me alone!
That one's kind of crazy. Let's take a look at Andy.
Get down now!
That one's also pretty crazy. Let's try Brian.
We have committed.
Too deep for a little boy.
I'm not interested in age.
That one's okay. But Milo right here,
I got partnered with Sarah.
that one's pretty good. This sounds like a younger person's voice. And then we will click save and our project will be saved. And then we're going to click render. And then Vid.ai has a best-in-class rendering system, so we render multiple parts of the video at once to make this process incredibly quick compared to other AI video generators that are out there. And while this is rendering, Vid.ai doesn't just do texting stories. You can also do AI-generated visuals in the backgrounds of videos and make complete videos from scratch just from a prompt. You could literally ask it, create me a YouTube short about any topic you can possibly imagine, and Vid.ai will do it. It's basically like ChatGPT, but for doing videos, and it's becoming better and better. We're gonna have long-form videos really soon. And boom, our video is done. Let's take a look at it right here.
Mom, did you know that squirrels can speak fluent French?
What? No, they can't. That's not even possible.
Yeah, I read it online. They've been hiding it for years, but scientists just confirmed it. They've been taking language courses for years.
Where did you even read that? It sounds completely ridiculous.
It was in a very reputable article on a science site. They even said squirrels are planning to hold a press conference about it.
A press conference? That sounds completely made up. There's no way squirrels are secretly bilingual.
Oh, it's true. They're going to reveal it soon. Apparently, they can...
I'm not,
I'm gonna do that.
but I'll look it up, I guess.
Well, while you do that, can I borrow $50? I'm gonna need it for the squirrel press conference tickets.
No, absolutely not. I'm not giving you money for some made-up...
Just like that, we have a video equivalent to what's gone viral on all these other channels, and we could sit here and generate tons of these videos literally within the course of an hour. We could have a full month of content planned out by doing this process. Now, the biggest thing you might get tripped up on is actually creating the scripts and having prompts for the scripts. So to make this as easy as possible for you, here's 5 different ChatGPT prompts that you can use right here. Feel free to screenshot this if you want, that you can put into ChatGPT and then generate different types of texting stories that can actually go viral. Like, take a look at this one right here. A person texts their friend something completely unbelievable, claiming they've just witnessed an event that defies all logic. So that will be something that has a great hook that's likely to do really well on social media. Their friend thinks they're joking, but as the conversation goes on, the details become stranger and harder to ignore. So that could be a fantastic prompt for these types of texting stories. And you can reuse each of these prompts multiple times and it'll come up with different stories each and every time. And now at this point you might be saying, Matt, this is awesome. I want to get started with Vid.ai. And if that's the case, you can check it out down at the link below. We have a special discount going on right now. Before we add a ton of more features on Vid.ai, you can join it at a huge discount right now if you're interested in doing this and secure that grandfathered in for life. So now's the time to join Vid.ai if you're interested in doing it. And you might be asking, how do I actually make money with YouTube Shorts then once I start uploading these on my channel? Well, I've actually put together a completely free training for you that you can check out next to me right here. In this free training right here, I'm gonna go step by step exactly how to make money with YouTube Shorts and potentially make Shorts into a real business. This isn't gonna be on YouTube for long. Check it out while it's still active right there. My name is Matt Parr. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.